it into this real nice material, which is fertilizer.
And what are they picking out of the droppings?
They're eating some of the droppings because it's just fermented alfalfa,
Right.
and they are.
What if the rabbit pees
what they're doing mainly is they're eating insects out of the bedding, which grow in the compost medium.
The chickens and the cows.
Exactly, same principle. You have an omnivore cleaning behind an herbivore, and so it's with the cows. You have the eggmobile following the chickens. We call this the racking house because it's a rabbit-chicken combination, synergistic.
Wow.
But they're herbivores and they're.
Wouldn't it be rickin' instead of rackin'?
Chickens are omnivores. They eat lots of meat, lots of insects.
That's right.
They scavenge. You know.
So it's herbivore, omnivore, same thing.
Herbivore, omnivore synergy, exactly.
Right.
Because herbivores tend to share parasites, different groups of herbivores, whereas the chickens are going to eat the rabbit parasites, and they're a dead-end host. So they don't reproduce in the chicken. So you have that sort of, and that's what keeps the rabbits healthy. It's literally, and the vaporization, because in the industry they put antibiotics in the water system just to prevent lung problems. Exactly.
And you're feeding them. What are you feeding the rabbits?
The rabbits are getting two things mainly. They get these are alfalfa pellets.
Alfalfa.
Yep.
Okay.
And then they get basically all of the forage, all of the green grass that they can
let
eat.
them out, or you
bring the grass to them. Except the litters, which
how many do they have in a litter?
A good litter is anything from like 6 to 10.
I saw 10 over there.
Yeah, there's some big ones, big litters, which is great.
So you're bringing the grass into them.
We bring the grass into them, and then one of the projects that's not up and running yet are the hare pens, which are portable field shelters that we run the rabbit litters in out on pasture. So they'll actually go out.
So you just run around, and they can be inside.
They're enclosed, but you move the shelter every day, so that they.
But how do you get them in it again?
Oh, they stay in it. It has a slatted floor.
Oh, and then you.
And then you
open the slats.
You just move the whole pen.
Oh, and then the green.
Comes up through the slats. Exactly.
Gotcha.
Exactly.
Okay.
Cool. So.
I'll have to bring my grandchildren out here.
Anytime.
Now, are you out here a lot of the time?
Yeah, every day.
Oh, you're out here every day.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Right now, I'm just working to stay ahead of the rabbits with cages. So that's the big rolls of wire out there.
Yeah.
Are just cages that I build here.
New cages.
New cages.
And you're gonna have a new over there.
Yeah, they're starting in there.
I see one over there.